Midjourney is quickly becoming one of the hottest tools out there for creating stunning AI-generated art with just a simple text prompt. If you've been looking to tap into cutting-edge AI trends and unleash effortless creativity, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to master Midjourney and turn your ideas into amazing visuals in just a few easy steps. So stick around, because I'm going to show you how. Begin by visiting midjourney.com, where you can click Join the Beta to get started on Discord. If you don't have a Discord account, just follow the prompts to sign up. Once you're in, navigate to the Midjourney server by clicking on the ship icon. You'll need a subscription to start creating art since free trials are no longer available. To subscribe, type /subscribe and follow the link provided to choose between yearly or monthly billing. The $10 per month plan is great for beginners, but the $30 per month plan is recommended for most users because it includes Relax Mode, offering unlimited generations at a slightly slower speed. Once you've subscribed, you're all set to start creating with Midjourney. To create images without distractions, it's better to message the Midjourney bot directly instead of using the newbie rooms, where your work can easily get lost among others' creations. On a computer, find the Midjourney bot in your conversation list and click on it. On a phone, tap the icon and choose to message the bot directly, or go to the bot's profile and select Send Message. This opens a private conversation where you can generate and manage your images without the risk of losing them in the crowd. You can return to this private space anytime by accessing your direct messages and selecting the Midjourney bot. To create an image using Midjourney, type /imagine, hit space, and then enter your prompt, like dog with sunglasses. After a few moments, a grid of 4 images will appear. If you want to focus on one specific image from the grid, there are buttons below for upscaling or creating variations. The images are arranged left to right, so if you want to upscale the second image, for example, just click Upscale to. Once upscaling is complete, you'll have a higher quality version of that image. Later, you can download the full resolution image, as simply clicking or right-clicking won't provide the highest quality. After upscaling an image, you can explore different versions by using the V button for variations. For example, selecting Variations 2 will generate 4 new images based on the second image. You can also choose how distinct these variations are. Opting for Very Strong will result in more noticeable changes, while Very Subtle will make only minor adjustments. If you're looking for something completely different, you can use the Reroll feature to generate a new set of images based on the same prompt. This is useful if you want to see fresh options without changing your original idea. If you like an image but aren't satisfied with its shape or aspect ratio, you can easily adjust this in Midjourney. For example, with a prompt like dog with sunglasses, you can change the aspect ratio by copying the original prompt, typing /imagine, and then adding R followed by the desired ratio, such as 16:9 for a TV-like format or 1:3 for a taller image. After entering the prompt with your chosen ratio, Midjourney will generate the image in the new aspect ratio, transforming it from a square to a rectangular format, similar to a TV screen. This method is straightforward and works whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. After upscaling images 1 and 2, you can explore additional features like zooming out and changing the aspect ratio. Zooming out allows you to add more space around the subject, either by a significant amount or more subtly. For example, zooming out by double creates more space around the image, but may reduce detail, though the resolution remains the same. You can also use a custom zoom to adjust the aspect ratio, such as switching to a 2:3 ratio, which can lead to unique effects. Additionally, you can convert an image to a square format by selecting Make Square, which extends the top and bottom of the image. These features give you more control over how your images are framed and displayed. After exploring options like zooming out and making images square, you can use the panning feature to extend your image in different directions: left, right, up, or down. For example, if you want to see more of a dog's body in an image, you can click Pan Down to extend the image downward without shrinking it. Once you've chosen a direction, you can continue to pan in that direction, but you'll be limited to either horizontal or vertical movement. Panning differs from zooming because it doesn't reduce the original image's size, allowing you to create a larger overall image. However, after panning, some options like the variation buttons might disappear, so you'll need to return to the original square image to access those features again. To edit specific parts of an image, start by upscaling the image, then use the Vary Region feature. For example, you can select and modify the dog's nose while keeping the rest of the image the same. To take this further, activate Remix Mode by typing /settings and turning it on. Remix Mode allows you to use a lasso tool to select custom areas, like the dog's mouth, and input new prompts to change only that part, such as adding a toothy grin. With Remix Mode, you gain more control over the editing process. You can modify the prompt, adjust the aspect ratio, or add new commands to fine-tune your image. This flexibility lets you explore different variations and refine the results to your liking. If you're on the $30 per month plan and find yourself quickly using up your hours, you can switch to Relax Mode by typing /settings. Relax Mode offers unlimited image generations with only a slight decrease in speed, making it a great option if you're on this plan or higher. While Fast Mode is the default, and Turbo Mode speeds things up even more, though it costs extra per generation, Relax Mode provides unlimited use. To enhance your prompts, start by typing /imagine and adding a specific style to your description. For example, instead of just asking for a dog with sunglasses, you can add black and white ink drawing to create a more refined and stylized image. This method allows you to achieve better results by specifying both the content and style of the image. To keep track of your time usage on Midjourney, simply type /info. This command gives you a detailed overview of how much GPU time you have left, helping you manage it effectively so you don't run out and lose access to fast mode. For example, it might tell you that you have 13.15 hours remaining out of a 15-hour limit, and it will also show your lifetime usage, such as the total number of images you've created. This way, you can easily monitor your account activity and usage. Here's how you can download your images from Midjourney, whether individually or in bulk. For single images, right-clicking won't give you the full resolution. Instead, click Open in Browser, and once the image opens in a new tab, typically at 1024 by 1024 pixels, you can right-click and save it in full resolution. The resolution will remain consistent, even if you've changed the aspect ratio. To download multiple images at once, visit Midjourney's website and log into your account. There, you can see all your created images. Click the floppy disk icon on any image to save it, or use the arrow symbol at the top to select several images, which will then be packaged into a zip file for easy downloading. For bulk downloads, the archive feature is especially useful. It allows you to access all images created in the past 12 months. You can select specific dates, and the images from those days will be packaged into zip files for download. These methods allow you to efficiently download and organize your images, whether you need a single image or an entire collection. Now that you've got the hang of using this tool, it's time for you to take your AI art to the next level. Want to learn more tools like Midjourney? Make sure to check out the next video.